Hey guys, Matt here with another troubleshoot guide for your Leva-Sleeve adjustable base. So today we're going to be talking about how to adjust the height on your adjustable base, because sometimes there's a situation where you've had the bed for a little while and you want to adjust the height, or you're outside of a traditional delivery zone and the base has been mailed to you, so you need to set everything up yourself. Well, in a situation like that, the good news is that everything has been designed to be just really nice and simple. So if I'm looking at the legs here, on our current setup, we have it set on a very low setting. So if someone had mobility issues or they were a little shorter, sometimes you want to have it a little lower so that you can get in and out of the bed easily. But just for your point of reference, the ideal height that we're generally looking for is whoever's sleeping in the bed, when they get off the bed and they put their feet on the ground, we want their feet to be just touching the ground. And that's because they don't have to climb into bed or climb out of bed. Because sometimes situations, a low bed can be just as difficult to manage as a high bed. So finding that right balance is a really crucial part of just making sure you enjoy the bed. Of course, everyone has personal preferences, so it's not a one size fits all, but that's what our team generally goes for when we're setting up a customer's bed. So to show you how we do this, you would tilt your base on its side. You do need to tilt the base on its side to adjust any legs. You can't do it with the bed flat because you need to take weight off of the legs to be able to do this. And all of the legs are screwed in to the base. And on our 250, our 500, and our Ascent bases, it's a 6-leg setup for extra strength in the middle. And our Evolution, which is quite a heavy-duty frame, only requires the 4 legs at all 4 corners of the base. But every base we carry has adjustable leg height to make sure that you can just get it to the height you want. So I have another set of legs here. And as you can see, with any of our legs, this is generally closer to what would come in the package. So you have 12 inches of legs, but there's all different sections. And what that does is it allows you to unscrew different sections and really just choose the height that you want based off of personal preference, off of how high you want the bed to sit. So as you can see, I am putting this in. I've taken out the smaller leg, and now I'm going to be screwing in the taller leg. And you would do this on all 6 legs, all have them matching. But it gives you the ability to choose whatever height you like. Make sure that the bed's comfortable for you. And then if you have a split king or a split queen bed, some customers even prefer to have different sides of the bed at different height. So you have full adjustability at all times, and it's really nice and simple. You just choose the amount of sections you want, and then unscrew them and add it to the base here. So this is another troubleshoot guide. Hope this helps.